What, Yu-Gi-Oh?
Alright guys, so today we're starting off, we're back at HPLogic. I don't know why I haven't left yet. I was honestly supposed to leave like
you're still here, dude.
I was supposed to leave Wednesday.
I know why you're still here.
What? Why am I here, Jack?
It's the corn trap.
The corn has trapped me, man. I honestly...
You're like, I can't go, because if I do, I'm going to lose 50 horsepower.
That's what I'm saying.
And, yeah.
But I have good news. I just found out that we have a gas station to open up 10 minutes away with ethanol.
So you just got to get home.
I just got to get home.
Alright.
You know, but I've been stalling. So it is, what is today? Today's Friday, today's Saturday. Tomorrow is Easter. I'm supposed to be home for Easter with the family. And I got like a 19-hour drive ahead of me. But as you guys can see, we got the Boostedboiz here at HPLogic. They're all the way down from Colorado. They were down at Cletus & Cars. You guys probably know these guys. At the Hondaru here today. And you guys have never had this on the dyno, am I right?
Not on this setup.
Okay, so this is going to be a whole, I guess, you know, we're going to see what it puts down. We're pretty damn close to getting a pull in. They just strapped it down. And it's on wastegate pressure, which is like 10 PSI right now.
Yep.
Okay, and I mean, clearly it's no longer an EJ. So it's a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead. I got to leave like, well, I was supposed to leave like...
You're never leaving.
I know, man. I was supposed to leave at like 1 a.m. last night, went out. I'm blaming Rudnick on that one. Yeah, I was supposed to leave on like Wednesday. I don't know, man. I'm stuck in Florida. I'm not angry. I'm not mad, but I just don't want to drive back. Yeah, Mom's might be a little angry with me, but I mean, sorry, Mom.
She'll forgive you.
Yeah, it's all right. What do you guys think it's gonna make? Drop in the comments real quick. That's a really high number, man. It's putting our Tuesday to shame, bro.
Hey, where are you going? Same side beams, like he's ready to go. This motor is definitely capable.
What am I? How do you feel about this? What do you think?
It's gonna hurt both perfect.
It's gonna crush both of our cars.
You know, dude.
It's making 10 pounds. I'm at 24 pounds.
I'm at 23.
And I make less, way less than that.
Yeah, I'm at 23 and I make less.
They made 50 more horsepower. on 13 less pounds.
I'm the small dog,
with,
but
with,
you know,
with 2 less cylinders. Granted, that turbo is
I
bigger.
have one thing going for me.
Okay.
I weigh less than all you assholes.
Well, Kyle might have you beat, bro.
No, this is 3. This weighs.
Oh, the car.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. I mean, that's fair.
Is that supposed to be like a fat joke?
Yes.
Really, dude?
Yes.
The club together, now you're doing
Well,
fat
you know
jokes?
what, bro? It's the way it is, brother.
I was about to cook this man Easter
You
dinner.
got a
I'm
bro
trying to get him
truck
to
now,
stay.
so you got to get a little hardened, brother.
I do need to get hardened.
That's all right. Yeah. Don't worry about it.
It's a pro.
Yeah.
Mixing it together.
Yeah.
It's a pro. There's actually like 2 vlogs going on.
I was gonna say it's kind of vlog inception.
Yeah, I mean not really though, because they're having their own conversation.
That's true,
We're having our conversation.
That's true.
This is actually kind of like
It's kind of cool, man. Yeah, exactly. This is exclusive footage.
But
here
you know,
at HPLogic.
at the same time it's not, because I know my boy Calvin over here is gonna take forever to edit this video.
Yeah. No, this is like a week out.
Yeah.
Like,
So I'll see you guys in a couple weeks.
yeah. By the time the video comes up, we may be back in Florida. Like, it might be that weird, but yeah.
Man, it is what
It is what it is. Alright guys, so they are finishing, well I guess they're just kind of getting started. Turn out the boost up in the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and take Chris out, take him for a little rip since we have ED5 now. Definitely it's a game changer, so it'll be cool to kind of get his reaction. Check out his video when it comes out.
Hey, funny noise.
Alright guys, oh man, we are back at HP. Actually the car had a bit of an issue. Let me show you guys really quick. We just got it back. This is probably a good 3 hours later. We're doing the pull with Chris. Sorry, that's super dark out, so we got my $800 flashlight going down. We were doing the pull, taking Chris for a ride. He wanted to go since it had E85, you know, see what the difference was. And we noticed that we had a bit of smoke and like, you know, Marcus, I don't want to hear it, brother. The damn heater hose, like one of the heater hoses down there that connects actually to the upper, like the thermostat kind of area, it actually just popped off. So I lost all my coolant. We had coolant in the car. It smelled horrible. I had coolant in my mouth. I was not a happy camper. So luckily it was an easy enough fix to where we just had to go ahead and slip the hose back on. We just had to come back to the shop. Boostedboiz are still doing their thing in there. They're out at lunch or something like that. Or not lunch. Look at how dark it is. No lunch. Dinner time. So got it all back on, and we were looking good. But yeah, I mean, damn, man. It's always with running in the damn car, right? Damn rod knock. So I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see me, if at all. This is it, man. Like, we got to start our journey. It's like 9 at night. But I mean, I guess the good thing on the positive side, we were at HP, like close enough, like to HPLogic, that we could just go ahead and get some tools, come back, fix it really quick. Obviously still with the homies, which made it way easier and way less stressful. It would have been kind of a pain because I don't have a wrench. I don't have an 8mm wrench with me, so I would not have been able to do that hose clamp properly. But here we are, man. I mean, it was an awesome trip. I do not want to leave. Huge shout out goes to Chris, to Marcus, all the guys down here at HPLogic. Huge thanks to Chris and Marcus for letting me crash at their place for like 3-4 nights. It really helped me out. Had a great time with you guys. So shout out to you guys. If you guys don't follow Chris or Marcus's channel, go ahead and check them out. Links will be in the description. But yeah, man, it's late. I have a 20-hour drive. All right, guys, it's a sad moment. We just had to fill back up with that boring 93 to get our trip started for the journey back home, man. So I just went and stopped at 7-Eleven, got us some water. I got me a sandwich, a little coffee, some chips. A little bit of a bummer I wasn't able to say bye to Chris and all the homies, like officially, because they went out for dinner, and I would love to go ahead and join them. But guys, I've been stalling this whole departure for way too long, and to be honest, I don't want to leave this place, man. Everyone here has been just super hospitable, man. It's crazy. Like, it's amazing how nice people have been here and how many people have offered places for me to stay. Like, it's really cool. So huge shout out to all you guys. You know who you are. And time to get back to New York. We got a bit of a hike, 20 hours. It's 10 o'clock. Let's get going. All right. So we are at the side of the highway. I literally just recorded this, but I lost the clip. Car filled up with smoke, and that's never a good sign. And it wasn't like an oily smoke. This was definitely an electrical smoke, like electrical fire type deal. I'm looking around. I tore up all of this. I figured maybe something in my ECU wiring, and this is like one of the things we're gonna go ahead and clean up first when we get back home, because this is still a factory 2JZ harness, and so much stuff is just not even used anymore with our Haltech. So I thought our ECU or something like that was ruined, but the car was running great. So then I come over here because it was coming from this area, and look at this. Look at this. Hang on. Oh yeah. Come on. Are you kidding me, bro? So this whole wire like fried out. So I don't have any, I mean, we're in the side of the highway right now. It's super busy, but this is what I found. I actually robbed this off the sub wiring for my sound system. I'm not gonna, I only need to replace that one little section. So this is the part that comes off the fuse to the battery for the sub. So we're being resourceful. This is the only kind of heavier gauge I have. I don't have any spare wire actually on me. This is the last thing I expect would happen. But yes. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna fix this real quick. I only have tape. I don't really have crimps or anything like that. So this is, I mean, we're just gonna have to go ahead and twist and tape and get ourselves home, but you know, it should work for now. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll give you guys a better look at this wire real quick. She has seen better days. That's for damn sure. I don't know how this happened. Like, it was all sealed, it was all insulated. Maybe just the gauge of the wire is too thin, but all of it's fine, just this upper part. But I don't know, man. We're just gonna fix it, and we'll honestly, I'll probably just replace this whole wire later on when we get home and actually have some proper stuff. But I just want to show you really quick what it was, man. This was so close to just failing, and the car would have just completely died, because this is the fuse box wire connection to the battery. So yeah, we're gonna have to find some higher quality wire for this for sure. All right, we're back, we're running, no smoke, that's good. I just don't know how I'm gonna get out into this traffic here. It's pretty damn busy, but good news is we made it, obstacle averted. You know, luckily we were able to kind of be resourceful and get things done. But that's one thing we definitely have to go ahead and address when we get back home, is kind of just button that up and replace the whole wire. But as of right now, we're good. I'm gonna keep an eye out, but we're good so far, man. I'm ready to get home. I want to go back to Florida, but I'm ready to get home, I guess. Well, God, what time is it, man? It is 3 in the afternoon. We've been on the road for like 15 hours or something like that. I don't even know. I can't do math right now. But no, like 17 hours. Somehow, 5 hours left to go, if this will focus, which of course, yes. But I got me some Dunkin' on a good note. I guess it's time to, I mean, we'll have to make definitely one more fuel stop after this. I'm only getting like 19 miles per gallon in this thing, which really isn't that great. Could be a little better, I don't know why. But the AFRs are like mint, like minty mint. So I'm not really too sure if that's just the way it's gonna be forever, because that's probably just the way it's gonna be. All right, so we are, I don't know where I am in Pennsylvania, but I'm somewhere. I found the sheets, and more importantly, I found ethanol. Now it says there it's 51 to 83%, like it can range in there. It's not really ideal. I'm gonna fill it up, and we're gonna check the laptop and see what the ethanol content is, and I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna grab a drink, and I don't know, how far away are we? I'm an hour and 50 minutes away, so we're close, man. What a crazy couple days it's been, man. It feels like it's weird, man. I'm like not tired, but I'm tired at the same time, but we're getting there. All right, guys, so I had a quarter tank of 93, so we're currently sitting at 58% ethanol content. So just so I don't know if I told you guys this already, but when we dynoed it, it was on 65%. Now, if we ever get up to 80, which we probably should be able to with the pump up by me, it's actually gonna make more power than what we saw in the dyno, because the way the flex fuel sensor works, it calculates how much, I guess, of, you know what I mean? It's based on the ethanol content as far as the tune goes. So the more ethanol content, the more, you know, the more power it will make. That's just the easiest way to put it. So we're at 57. I smell the corn, it's good, but at least, 56. Yep. But at least now that we have a little more ethanol mixed in the tank, it'll be kind of better when we put in our next fill up. So let's get home. We got an hour and a half to go.